Morning, everybody. Watching Echowood Holsteins. Another eventful snowstorm in Wisconsin coming our way. Last night we got about 4 or 5 inches here. And we're supposed to get like 15 to 20 inches of snow, which is a lot of snow for us. So Jaren's just gonna start moving snow around. And I got vaccines and stuff to give in the barn. So we'll keep you posted on what happens here. Okay, so Jaren had a little issue with the Bobcat this morning. It just flat out quit. He had a snow pusher on the front and it just died. So I called Swiderski's, asked them, I checked all the fuses over, called Swiderski like 3 times, and it's gotta be in a wire that goes from down here in this fuse panel, down by your feet, back to the back by the battery. But there's a cluster of wires about 2 inches around, and I really don't want to mess with it. So our 321F is done, and we're gonna pick that up. And our other Bobcat here, it's nothing but problems with Bobcats this week. It smoked a belt that runs the water pump and the alternator, and they're back ordered, and there's no ETA on them from Bobcat. So yesterday I tried getting a regular belt so that we could use this thing, and I think I made like 6 trips to town to get different size belts. And the thing is, it's a stretch belt, so a regular belt is very difficult to make it work instead of the stretch belt. So Jaren said, well, how about that Bobcat dealer in Eau Claire? So we called them, and luckily they got a stretch belt. They got the right belt. So amidst this, even though there's a snowstorm, we got to go and do some stuff. We got to take the Bobcat to Swiderski and Thorpe, and then we got to go to Eau Claire and pick up our 321F mini loader. And while we're up there, we got to get the belt, the right belt for the Bobcat. So we ended up, to get the snow pusher off, we had to unhook the quick attach in the front. So we got to put this back on. And then we actually carried the Bobcat down here to the shop at my house. So we're gonna end up carrying it, probably just carry it back with us and put it on the trailer. Right?
Yep.
Is it cold out here?
Yeah, it's very cold.
I need to go get a hat. Nose.
I do?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay. So we gotta put this door back on here, so when we haul it down the road, it doesn't get full of snow. We had it off so we could work on it. Because actually you were stuck in it.
Yeah, I was stuck in there.
You had to pull the emergency, didn't you?
Yeah.
To get out?
Yep.
So we're just gonna take it up.
I'll grab that thing.
What thing? I just leave it like that. They'll figure it out. It's Swiderski's. All right, so we gotta tighten this up.
Here is this right.
I don't even think I'd tighten them. Okay, so there's that. That's back on.
Okay.
So, Jared, what do we need? We're going to carry this back down and put it on the trailer, right?
Yeah, I need to grab a hat.
Go ahead and go get one.
It's on.
Okay. So we're off. We're going to take this down, put it on the trailer, because we got to get loader down there anyhow, and that's how we got it down here. And it don't run, so.
This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, so we came in that way.
Yeah.
See that?
Somebody missed the driveway.
Yeah, just a little bit. Spring cleaning.
Maybe it's time for a new Bobcat, or a new
It
skid
has
steer.
4,000 hours.
Maybe we should try a Kubota
I don't know.
or a cat. I don't know. Seems like all these skid steers, they just don't make them like they should be making them. I don't know, they probably got a lot of cheap.
When you bed sand too, it's not good for them. But
No, but the thing is, they're used in a lot of dirty conditions, and then they suck you get a lot of dust and stuff and everything, and manure, and then they get packed into places on them, and just hard on them.
Yep.
That's one thing. This loader has definitely got a good heater in here.
Oh yeah.
It's like, I don't know, we had it on 3, and it, just for 5 minutes it was so hot you can't take it hardly. But it's a good thing to have a good heater in Wisconsin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sounds like the chopper.
Let's go down here because we're going to have to move that trailer to get this on there.
Did you hear that?
Yep.
I don't know if it's just because all the weight in the front. That right there.
Hear that. You're going to go unhook the cattle trailer?
Yeah, I can hook it back up to the other trailer. You want to unhook right where it's at?
Sure. There you go. It's okay, just keep going. He changed the fuel filter yesterday. He said that might happen. Come ahead a little more yet. Right there. It's getting cold and windy out here. Okay, now we got to get this thing strapped down and get on our way. Went the wrong way. We got to pull towards the back, not the front. Okay, I think we're ready. Gotta go get Jared and then we're out of here. Oh, you forgot the flashers. Jared, you forgot the flashers.
Huh?
Flashers are on. There's juice. Like I tried jumping it to the starter. Yeah. See if there was juice. That's where I started, and there is.
Okay.
And then, I tried to put the screwdriver across. Yes, it didn't work. And then I checked, and they both sides lit up. So we got the expert here working on it now. We're up at Swiderski's. Just wants to make sure that we didn't miss something simple before we have to.
Yeah, it'll probably have to come off. Yep.
And then we picked the cab up and I saw the cluster of wires and I'm like, I don't think that's for me. Right?
Yeah, look how easy them forks slide.
Unload it?
Yeah, you might as well.
Okay.
There's no sense of freezing over here. $multi-million shop, right?
Yeah.
Just anywhere up there. See, up a little bit.
So we are at Bobcat Plus in Eau Claire, and we got the belts we needed after all that running around yesterday. Swiderski's didn't have it, but they have them here, so we're good to go.
Yeah, on to Miller Bradford.
On to Miller Brad. We got to pick the loader up and then head home. Okay, we're at Miller Bradford. Come for the loader. Keep her coming. It's good.
Okay.
Just leave it run. We'll put one chain on, then we'll probably just back it up.
Okay.
Put the binder on.
So we're just backing the, just backing the truck in the shed, and we'll bring the loader down to the farm so we can use it to push snow in the morning. It's supposed to get a lot of snow, and the GoPro battery's almost done, so I think this will be it for today, and we'll pick you guys back up tomorrow.
Back at Swiderski's, picking up the skid steer. Gordon was there.